Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess. To begin, understand the board and pieces. The chessboard is a grid of 64 squares, alternating light and dark. Each player starts with 16 pieces, including a king, queen, rooks, knights, bishops, and 8 pawns. The objective is to trap your opponent's king in a position where it is under attack and has no legal moves to escape, which is called checkmate. Let's explore how each piece moves across the board. Pawns advance 1 square forward, capturing diagonally. Rooks command straight lines, moving any distance horizontally or vertically. Bishops glide along diagonals, also any distance. Knights have a unique L-shaped move, 2 squares in one direction, then one perpendicularly. The powerful queen combines the rooks and bishops' movements. Finally, the king moves just 1 square in any direction. Chess also features a few special moves. Castling allows your king to move 2 squares towards a rook, with the rook jumping to the other side, offering king safety. En passant is a unique pawn capture, occurring immediately after an opponent's pawn moves 2 squares past an attacking pawn. When a pawn reaches the opposite end of the board, it can promote to a queen, rook, bishop, or knight. Remember to say check when attacking the king. The ultimate goal in chess is to achieve checkmate. This happens when your opponent's king is under attack and cannot make any legal move to escape the threat. When checkmate occurs, the game immediately ends, and the player delivering the checkmate wins. Games can also end in a draw, for instance, by stalemate or threefold repetition. Focus on strategic piece development and king safety for success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.